What's new? The Skoda Roadiaq is not a conventional production SUV, it's a one-off, student-built micro-camper project that reimagines an Enyaq for Skoda's electric SUV as a multi-purpose, off-grid living and working environment. For vloggers, this is pure lifestyle content. It's about creative upfitting, clever space use and how an EV platform can double as a rolling base camp for remote work and adventures. The Roadiaq concept was built by Skoda apprentices and showcases modular living kit, a slide-out bed, integrated desk monitor, bespoke storage, and power management designed for independent travel rather than daily commuting. Mechanicals, powertrain and usability. Because the Roadiaq started life as an Enyaq-based conversion, its electric drivetrain remains the backbone. It uses the core Enyaq chassis and battery architecture, retaining electric drive and the advantages that brings for quiet campsite nights and reduced maintenance compared with a combustion conversion. However, the Roadiaq's emphasis is on lifestyle engineering, extra ground clearance, underbody protection, and roof modifications, raised roof, integrated mounts, rather than heavy performance upgrades. If you're filming a how we built it sequence, highlight the thermal management and accessory power routing Skoda use so the leisure electronics, fridge, monitor, heating, play nice with the traction and battery systems. Interior and exterior changes. Visually, the Roadiaq is recognizably derived from the Enyaq but dramatically altered for function. The roofline is raised considerably to create habitable sleeping workspace. The rear doors and side panels are adapted to make the load area fully serviceable, and the exterior features mounting points for awnings, roof tents, and solar panels. Inside you'll find a compact but highly optimized workspace with a slide-out bed module, integrated monitor, storage module sized for camera film gear, and durable, easy-clean finishes. All elements vloggers should film close-up for maximum viewer interest. This is a great tour the build segment, time-lapse of conversion, before-after cabin shots, and a kit list for viewers who want similar DIY ideas. Pricing, practicality and launch status. The Roadiaq is a concept one-off, not a dealer model with an MSRP. That means there's no official production pricing or mainstream launch schedule to report. Instead, treat it as a design innovation story. Use the vlog to contrast concept cost, apprentice labor plus specialist parts, with hypothetical commercial conversions, aftermarket campers, and run a segment estimating what a small production run might cost compared with standard camper conversions. For factual grounding about the project's status and origin, reference Skoda's own coverage of the student build. Rivals, audience, and vlog angles. This isn't a direct competitor to mass-market campers. Instead, it sits alongside bespoke electric camper projects, DIY van conversions, and concept builds from other OEM student academy programs. For content, stitch together narrative threads, a feature tour, design intent plus build